Right, quick unboxing video of the GPK mini furnace kiln. Haven't been opened yet. So I have no idea what to expect. Come from a long way, all the way from America to the UK. Well fastened. Massive amount of tape. What's in there initially and start opening that. What we got here? Goggles. Nice. Kiln itself. Boxes within boxes. Nice amount of padding. Should be intact. Very nice. So there's the mini kiln. Ooh, it is quite mini, isn't it? That's nice. That's where the blowtorches go. The graphite crucible mold, 2 graphite crucible molds. Double wrapped. They're pretty much the same as the other ones that I've got, except without lids. Fair enough. Nice thick walls on these though, just for sure. Quite thick. Nothing much to that, as you can see. Nice pair of goggles, I think they're a freebie. Oh, that's a cute little mould. Let's check that out. Very nice. I'll probably use that. Quite nice mould. What else we got? Fine influx. Borax and basically baking soda. Pair of tongs. Cribbage. Supposed to be for removing these from the kiln once it's cooking. Wow. Don't look very stable though. probably use my own tongs, but I have seen that used. That's that. Quite a lot in that little box. And some instructions as well. With a lot of writing. Nice. So that's the GPK kiln unboxing. Till the next unboxing video.